Okay, this has got to go 5 ticks to get the stop to break even. I think it just did a second ago. But what we expect it to do is get up to at least this level right here. The prior swing high is what we expect it to get up to, which is right up here. Okay, there's 5 ticks. We're going to bump that stop to break even. Now we're going to start locking in a little. Now with gold, we only need to get right there to get the goal for the day. Okay, we're going to lock in 2 ticks and we're going to let it go. It should get up into all these numbers right here right now. So it would be kind of greedy of me to want to push that up there, but that's where it should go. Okay, I'm just going to try to get the goal for the day out of the way right now, and then we'll work on the rest of it later. There's the goal for the day. Ding ding. All right. And now let me just show you this. Okay, we got the goal for the day out of the way. It went up and hit the prior swing high exactly right there. That's what I was thinking it was going to get to. But now it's got all these numbers right up here. You see that one right there and right there. 14.6, 14.7. That is where price is trying to get to. I'm going to slide it back over here and note the time. It's 9:38, so it took 11 minutes today. That's it. All right, let me just shut this off. If you have not taken a free trial with us, go out here to mytradingiq.com, click the purple button, and fill out the form that comes up. It's going to look just like that. All right. Back here.